go! Wait, I need to wear my shoes. Not bad. It was looking pretty bad yesterday. So slushy. Good amount of chicken and ground meat, but like not that many beef. Right now we are watching Is She the Wolf? Ow. Time for makeup. Starting off with this, one of my favorite primers at the moment. Super moisturizing, which is perfect for New York City winter, and it also has SPF. For foundation, I'm gonna try this. I used to wear this a lot when I lived in Japan. This one worked pretty well on my skin, and I just bought it in Japan, so it's brand new. It looks good so far. It's like medium to high coverage. This is the Make Tokyo Cream Cheek in number 21. Used to use number 17, but this one's much more red, brick red. I decided that this year is going to be my pink year. I started picking colors for myself every year. So last year was green and I was really feeling pink. Been loving this Laneige, I think it's called Neo Blur Powder. So this one is cool because it's sort of like a cushion foundation. So if you like press down on it, did you see that? There's like powder coming out. It's very nice for on the go and it looks very, very pretty on the skin. I got these two contour shading powders. I've honestly just been using this for everything. Blend, blend, blend. I'm using this for highlight. This is the Munieto highlighter. Super pretty and the glitter is super fine. Eyebrows, Rare Beauty liner, and then I'm using the Heavy Rotation brown mascara. I'm using the Heroin Make mascara and Heroin Make eyeliner. Eyeshadow palette, I tend to reach for this one. Ta-da! I'm gonna use the Elixir Luminous Glow Mist to set my makeup. I honestly don't think I have time to do my hair, so it's fine. It is quite cold outside, so I'm wearing a heat tech and I'm gonna wear this. Cute. My basic Levi's Orpheon. This smells so good. I'm like addicted to the smell. I'm also taking these with me. These are souvenirs because they both have cats and they're cat ladies. I found these like super cute eye masks from Japan. They're like heating eye masks. So they're supposed to like help relax your eyes. This was super cute. Also got them the regular versions. Then I also went to Shimane and they're like candies basically. These were so cute. They have cats. I'm super excited. This has been my favorite lip balm lip product and it looks so good. And I feel like it actually does its job as a lip balm. This one is in the shade Fig Sauce. Okay, let's go. Good morning. Today I am gonna bake, which is super exciting because I love baking, but I don't bake as much as I want to. And I decided that in May, I'm gonna try to do a bakery pop-up at home. I thought I should test out some of the recipes because a lot of the things that I want to make, I've never made before. So I'm going to Target to buy my ingredients. Yeah, that's the plan for today. So it's around 12:30. I'm making an easy lunch for us. Chicken breast that's like marinated in like a soy sauce type thing. While I do that, I'm gonna start making salt bread. I'm very nervous. My first time making bread in like years. I am following Erin's Cozy Kitchen's salt bread recipe. Let's get started. It is like 5:50. I made my pasta. It looks delicious. So I'm super happy about that, but I'm really sad about my bread. It's not proofing. And it looks really ugly. I'm still gonna bake it and see how it turns out. Maybe it'll taste fine. But you know, this is why we test recipes. But we are doing our Dungeons and Dragons at 6:30, so that's when everyone is coming. So we need to eat like as quickly as we can. And it's gonna be a very fun night. Guys, it looks better than expected. Isn't that pretty? I think this one looks the best. I think it can be browned a little bit more, but I think I discovered that this top rack browns it better than this one. So these are all like pale. Okay, I got the bottom. I just need to make sure that the top is crispier next time.
Yeah, you probably want to do that one. Yeah, that's a little bit. You want to go?
What's a good last name?
Wow.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, you're running.
The park is right next to you. Well, I have to walk all over there and then some.
And then some. 3. You are heartbeat. Humorful. You are inspiring. Wow.
Okay.
Wait, she's actually gonna be the talker.
The talker.
Yeah.
This is actually a campaign that I've been working on for a bit.
Oh.
This is a map of the Sword Coast.
But under my skirt, I actually have 5 daggers hidden.
Oh.
22.
Whoa, 22.
It's not as cold today. I think it's like 38 right now. So. Finished. It was very quick. I went in like 10 minutes early, so yeah, it only took 10 minutes. Now I am gonna go to H Mart and get some ingredients. I want to make kimchi jjigae for lunch today, or for dinner today. So. just chilling at home right now. The cold is making me so tired. It's like draining my energy. I can't wait for it to finally be warm again. It feels like this winter is so long. It's so sad. I cannot with this cold. Time to make kimchi jjigae. We're gonna put in pork belly, and I was really craving mushrooms, so I brought maitake, enoki, and oyster mushroom. I just showered and did my hair. I decided to try out this side part today. I think I'm gonna try to bobby pin it here. Today is gonna be very fun. I am just about to head out to go to Leona's birthday party. It's gonna be her 27th birthday. Since she is entering her late 20s, she is hosting a bingo night, which is going to be very fun. I'm gonna use a little bit of this and honey matomage stick. Matomake stick? I think it's matomake. Just to like keep this in place. I've been loving this for the front. Applying my Edam lip balm. And I'm ready to go. Bye!
Can you get your bag that's on the...
No, you did. You only said yes after she confirmed.
No, I literally said yes. Alright, right off your first key. 34. Oh, 64. Bingo.
It's rigged.
I think I typed in 30%. With the power of my hands. I want to wear more dark stuff for winter.
I do like how it's shorter.
Which one?
You know how like other beanies are like taller? I like how...
I like the shorter one too. I like how this stuff isn't like bunchy.
That's crazy. I'm gonna go look for the white one. Wait, you look like a different person.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
Shakespeare.
Just look there, Cat. There.